tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to resell and earn some money on your Glowroad account and how you will be able to use it and other stuff. So just watch this video till the end and you will know all about it. So first of all, just simply open your Play Store or your App Store. And after that, just simply install the Glowroad resell and earn online application in your mobile device. And once you have done downloading the application in your device, just simply click on open and open the app. And after that, just simply choose the language in which you want to continue. So just select the preferred language like English or your preferred language. I'm clicking on continue in English. And after that, just simply click on continue and log in with your credentials. The same credentials that you have used in your Amazon account as well. Once you're there in the app, just first of all know about the Glowroad. What is it and how does it work? So Glowroad is an Amazon company, is India's biggest social commercial app where you can resell and buy crores of high quality products. So once you install the application, you need to sign up into the app and follow the 3-step that you have to use in order to resell and earn some money through the app. So first of all, just simply browse through the products that are listed in the app itself. So you can see that there are so many different categories that you can choose. So you need to select your preferred niche or the category in which you want to deal. So you need to create your own account first. Just simply click on my account section. And over here you can see that my shared categories, my wish list and other options. So just simply select the category first in which build your store. So for example, I'm choosing the kids section. So just simply tap on it. And after that, just simply click on those products that you would want to sell, and you can put all these products into the cart after selecting the type of the product that you would want to buy. And you can also share the product directly to your social handles like your WhatsApp or your Facebook. And once you are done selecting the products, you need to list all these products into your shop. And after that, just simply select the margin you want to earn through these products. For example, you can earn up to 50% or 60%. So you need to select accordingly. My advice for you to be keep margins low initially. So you can keep it up to 20% or as per your choice. And once you're done selecting the margins and the product niche, just simply list all these products into your Glowroad shop. And after that, just start listing the product. And then you need to verify or identify and write product which you think your customer will buy, and click on share button right beside the product that I just showed you. And once someone want to purchase the product which you shared, collect the payment from them and place the order on Glowroad. This is the simplest way you can do it. And the Glowroad delivers the products and you will get your earnings in your bank account directly. So this is basically how you will be able to resell and earn some money on Glowroad. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.